Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you how to use your Apple Watch to actually ring your phone. So let's say for example, you have misplaced your iPhone. It doesn't really matter which iPhone it is. You have an Apple Watch. I'm going to show you to actually use your watch to ring your phone. It will make a audible sound, and of course you can use that sound to track down and locate your phone. So for example, you misplace it on a table, in the couch, whatever, around the house. You know it's close by, but you can't find it. All right. So the first thing you want to do, guys, on your Apple Watch is to go ahead and click the button that's right here, and you're gonna go into this menu right here. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna look for this vibration icon. Now, of course, that vibration icon indicates that this is the feature that will cause your phone to vibrate. So go ahead and press on it. All right. It will also show you how close it is. So for example, because I'm so close, it has checked the mark. So you can actually use the hot and cold. It's going to move closer. And of course, as the rings close in, it means that you're getting closer and closer. So simply follow the on-screen directions in terms of location. It will stop ringing when you're close. If you, for some reason, need to hear it again, go ahead and tap right there. All right. And we're right on top of it. When you find it, you can stop, or you can close the app by closing the X. All right, so you can actually use it just like Find My to locate the device. When you're moving in closer, you'll see the rings, and then it will direct you until you find it. It's very intuitive, so you'll be able to find your phone. And of course, the audible sound will help you as well, so you can actually track it down until you actually find the device. All right, so hope that was helpful in the Apple Watch, and that's one of the cool features that you can do. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.